Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rob, and this is the Mountain Standard Time channel. Again, today I'm making a couple videos. This is the third video of my channel, and we're going to highlight my Victorinox Inox today. Let's take a closer look.
All right, here we are. Again, this is a Victorinox Inox. This is Gasp, a quartz watch. And quite honestly, I think this is one of the best watches in my collection. Yes, it's battery operated, it's a quartz, but consider this thing a Swiss G-Shock. If you look up the specs or look up the webpage on Victorinox, you'll see that this thing has been torture tested in development. Even up to the point where they throw it off of a 2-story floor and onto concrete. But then they do a nice little video editing where they don't show how scratched up it gets. But apparently it survived. Again, this is just a tough watch. Pretty heavy, obviously. This thing comes in at 44.5 millimeters wide. It is 13.7 millimeters thick. And from lug to lug, we're looking at 53.5 millimeters. So it is thick, heavy, and just encased in the stainless steel. Highly recommend going with the stainless steel bracelet. It's got these really neat H-links. Got some half links there. When I got it, it was perfectly sized for me. Again, don't buy brand new. This thing's going for $650 MSRP. I was able to pick this one up on the forums for a lot less. Let's just put it that way. Here's the back of the case. Again, nothing too crazy. Neat thing about this watch is the way it connects. It's got a little clasp here. So it's totally integrated. Very cool. Sign. So you can go out and get yourself a G-Shock, or you can go get yourself a Swiss Victorinox Inox. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments down below. And subscribe, because it's official. It's a channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.